Welcome back to Bear Cave Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Papa Bear, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Huber Novus GMT. This is from an up-and-coming micro brand that I contacted a while back to get one of their pieces in for review, and they were kind enough to take a chance on a smaller channel, so I'm really grateful for that. One thing that I absolutely love about the Novus GMT watches, they are designed, assembled, and shipped in the United States. Final assembly is in Las Vegas, so that's awesome. This is considered a budget-friendly watch, coming in at just under $300, but it doesn't feel or look inexpensive at all. The materials are premium, and overall the watch looks really great, even though it's a little bit pricier than your typical AliExpress specials. Just to be clear, this watch was sent to me, and I do get to keep it, but as always, you'll be getting a full, unbiased review. As always, I will give you my pros and cons, overall thoughts about the watch, let you know at the end if it gets the Bear Cave seal of approval. So without further ado, let's open up the box and see what we got. Okay, so I already had the watch for a couple of weeks, so it's already been sized, but I wanted to show you the presentation. It does come in this really nice box on a nice pillow. So we'll put that aside and then just take a look at the watch itself real quick. As you can tell, integrated bracelet and a totally different design. I'm going to put it over here as usual. We can look at the specs and dimensions. Very clean dial. And it's a really nice looking watch. Okay, so here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. It wears well, not very chunky, easy to read. Very nice looking watch. So let's just talk about it. And we'll talk first about things that I like about the watch, just so you can see. As I mentioned, the design element is really, really nice. Overall construction definitely feels and looks much more premium than a $300 watch should look like. The bracelet is pretty comfortable. It articulates pretty well. It is a butterfly clasp, and I'll talk about that in just a little bit. But overall, it's like this H-link integrated bracelet, so pretty cool. Exhibition case back, so you can see the movement. Obviously, that's just something that people really do like. It's stylish, and it's definitely something you can wear every day, special occasions, you know. And it also comes on a rubber strap or a leather strap if you prefer that over the integrated bracelet. So, all right, so it's time to do our lume test. And I have the Huber here, and I've got a Addy's Dive GMT. Just picked two watches, I picked the watch to go against it. I'll turn off the studio lights. I'll use the UV torch, and we'll take a look at the lume and see how it compares. All right, so let's charge this bad boy up. Very nice blue lume. As you can tell, it's pretty bright off the start. I'm not going to do a 10-minute test. Just want to show you what the lume looks like and compare it to this Addy's Dive. Now, this is a totally different setup, and it's got more applied lume, but just to give you an idea. Now I'm going to charge them both. And you can see us side by side. So not bad. Overall, good lume. Easy to read. The second hand has the lume on it as well, so that's cool. All right, let's go back and take a look at the rest of the watch. Now, let's talk about a couple things that I don't like about the watch. And in all fairness, it's something that I have the same issue with most of these butterfly clasps. This does not come with half links, so you're going to wear it either tight or loose, depending on your wrist size. The lume is okay, and I will do lume shots. It's bright. It doesn't last very long, but I do think that if they just apply more layers of lume, it will definitely make a difference in it. The GMT movement works very well. I have no idea what time zone to do, but it's there, it's working. And again, it's assembled here in America, so that's a big plus for me. Um, so yeah, that's just something that I really like about the watch. Now, overall, I'm impressed, especially for just under $300. I mean, at that price point, it's a great deal. If you're looking for a modern looking watch that's just different enough from all the same designs out there, this one will do just fine. And again, the bracelet is very good. It's just that the butterfly clasp, you're either going to wear it a little bit too tight or a little too loose. I do like that they signed it there. Um, the crown is signed, stainless steel. Really, really good looking watch. Now let's ask the question, does it get the Bear Cave seal of approval? I am going to say yes. It does get the Bear Cave seal of approval. Several reasons for it. It's still in the budget friendly range. It's got a very unique look. I love the colorway. It does come in different colorways, but I really like this one with the gradient gray to black. I like the hands, and I just think overall it's a really good piece. And I would definitely recommend it if somebody's trying to get something that's made in America. And again, not your standard looking GMT or clomage of other GMTs. This one definitely scores on that. So as usual, I just want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, there's that button down there that you can click, get notifications, follow me on all my social media, and we will see you next time.